Analytics engineers, are you sick of reading CSV files that look like this? Are you sick of trying to understand what these clutters of unformatted characters mean? Well, we introduce to you Rainbow CSV, the ultimate solution for all your CSV headaches during DBT development. With Paradime's native CSV integration, your CSV files instantly transform into an organized, easy-to-read format. And through Paradime's commands panel, you can easily access Rainbow CSV features, like setting a header line, multi-cursor column editing, and customizations for how your CSV file should be separated. And last but not least, you can use the CSV lint feature to easily identify and fix formatting errors. So if you're ready to try Rainbow CSV in Paradime, go to our website to start a free trial.